And we're in front of a great teardrop overlanding trailer called the Smo Overland. And actually it's pretty interesting because it's lower than 180. It's 179. I'm 184 or 185. So it's perfect for your garage if you don't mount a bigger roof tent. It could fit up under 2 meters. And well, it has a sleeping space of 140 per 2 meters. And I will be measuring that right now. So yeah, 140/31. And if we measure that part, it's about 2 meters, with a lot of cabinets inside and lights with a ventilation port right up there. Great double-sided door, so you get a screen protection, and they have installed an oval solar panel, well, with a storage box from there. Well, we have off-road tires getting on the back, and pretty nice, great kitchen that is open from this side with deep sink, nice touch with the water, waste and fresh, big storage units under, with and probably storage unit for your fridge and additional storage right up here, and we have also a coffee maker. Not bad, and it's called the Smo Teardrop Camper Outback with a mesa price of 16,800. Well, not bad. We can check all the other versions in the other colors, like this wood black finish. Nice. This is perfect for a bigger fridge store inside, and the overall finish and looks is actually same with other colors. And this is a fully set up unit with 270 awning and all the amenities that you need for a great overlanding vacation. Well, not so bad from Smo Overland. Perfect.